Okay, this video I made to demonstrate that a kettlebell swing is not just a kettlebell swing. There's much more to it. There are three main variations and I will demonstrate all three of them. But know that within those variations there are different variations apart from the hardstyle swing. The hardstyle swing is set. This is it and there's no variation of it. So one variation is for power, heavy weights, low reps. One variation is for high reps. It's designed for the clean and the snatch, and high reps, high volume. And the other variation is in between that. It's a hip hinge swing, but you can still do high reps with it. Okay. I've been told that I talk too much, so I'm going to keep it short. I'm just going to let you see the variations. Then come and join our groups if you want to know more, so you can ask questions to find out which one is for what. Or you can go to our website www.cavemantraining.com and read some of the articles. There's many articles on the swing that we published. And we also got books and courses where you truly learn what kettlebell training is. To join the groups, type in your browser go.cavemantraining.com/social and see in one of the groups. Just post the video and ask your question. If you tag Caveman Training, we will respond to that as well.